Hello everyone, welcome to Affiliates Den. This is Danish, and this is a quick update about my lead gen secret. So far I have accumulated over 5,900 email leads, and well, the leads are getting bigger and bigger every day. The database, of leads is getting, quite handsome amount of emails, but so far I've made only $77 in 28 days of promoting my lead gen through its internal email system. I've made only $77, which is not something that I was hoping for, to be really honest. It's definitely not something that can replace my day job, so that's that. But what I have done in the past week, I've joined, excuse me, I have joined a Facebook group, which is an official or maybe a member created Facebook group for my lead gen, and I'm hoping that I might interact with people in here and maybe get some tips how to maximize my sales through my lead gen secret. So that's the something that I will be looking into in the coming days. Meanwhile, the reason I created this short video, it's because that I wanted to show you something that was a bit of a concern for me, but I see some results now, so I'm guessing that my downline is active and not, you know, it's not. They're trying. That's what I'm trying to tell here. Uh, I've made 6 direct referral sales, and from those 6, someone or 2 different referrals have made 2 sales. So that's something of a relief, maybe, because I was really concerned about my referrals not making any sales, and now they are getting in some numbers, so I'm pretty relieved. So that's just something that I wanted to share. I will still make the weekly update by the end of this week, and let's see how much or I don't know, I can't speak. I'm just trying to tell you that I'm gonna make another video by the end of the week, and we'll see what I have achieved by then. So let's see. Take care. Good luck. Bye bye.